Don't forget to ship where you shop now at Fry and Cox in Muleshoe, where they ship via UPS, so you get fast, dependable worldwide parcel shipping, and you'll pay less doing it. Now at 401 South 1st Street, Fry and Cox in Muleshoe, Texas. Lots more new in for the new year, including a great selection of RV accessories, power accessories, and sewer hose kits, toilet treatments, wheel stops, pressure regulators, refrigerator bars, cleaning solutions, mini dish drains, and lots more new in their RV accessories at Fry and Cox. Check out the damage-free hanging solutions and command strips at Fry and Cox that are great for hanging posters, pictures, broom grippers, utility hooks with adhesive or Velcro strips available indoor or outdoor, easy to remove without damaging your wall. Brand new selection of RCA phone, audio, and video accessories, including a great stock of HDMI and RCA coaxial cables, speaker wire, network cable, universal remotes, video splitters, HDMI to mini and micro adapters, phone cords and wall plates and mounts, handset coil cords, and lots more new at Fry and Cox, 401 South 1st Street in Muleshoe, Texas. They're open Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. till 6 p.m.